Welcome to our channel, EM Upholstery Technology, where we are demystifying the installation process for your leather kits. It's not that difficult. Guys, visit our website, LeatherTeck by EM Upholstery Technology, or go directly to EM Upholstery Technology. We have these kits available for you to take home, office, or workplace and do the installation yourself. Or you can come to San Bernardino. We can help you here to do the installation. So let's dive in. Okay, guys, we want to start to do the removal on the 2012 Toyota Camry. And again, guys, we are demystifying the installation process. Is not that difficult. So all we're going to need is a 14 socket for the front bolts. Same for the rear. And one little screwdriver flat. So this is going to be very simple. So we're going to have 2 bolts in the front. Let me see if I can do that while I'm holding the camera, because this is going to be really simple. So I've been telling you guys, when you remove these seats, you have to pull them all the way up. To remove the headrest, you're going to tilt it down so you can get it out. And using one hand, so there you have it. Get the lumbar support all the way down. It's gonna make your installation a lot more simple. Move it forward so we can access the rear bolts. I'm gonna put back our lean back. Now these plastics, just like that, guys. And you have 2 14s. Now we're gonna put our seat back again. Try to get more or less in this angle the lean back to make the removal of the cover easily. And we want to start about there, guys. You don't want that rear bracket to go all the way to the back. It will scratch the car. It will be a nightmare in the working table. Now, down here, you're going to have this one. You just pry them up with a clip right there. To release this cable from the frame, we want to use our clip remover. And for the airbag, we get our flat screwdriver underneath. Normally it takes 2 hands. I'll try to do it with one. And there you have it, guys. Those are the 3 plugs. Very easy, very simple. All we gotta do is get it out of the car, and we're gonna continue with the rear section. And I'm gonna demonstrate how it's done, guys. It's not that difficult. We are demystifying the installation process. I want to show you the removal in the back in the next chapter. Guys, if you have questions, please put it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay, guys, to remove the rear cushion and the lean back, we have to access the trunk. So we want to open up by releasing this latch. Once you are here, guys, you're going to pull this to release the two lean backs down. Just like this. Now down here, guys, you're going to have two 12 millimeters bolts. So you're going to use your ratchet or your impact to get them off. Normally, I like to put the right bolt in the right side and the left bolt in the left side, so it avoids confusion. Now we have to get the seat belt off here. There you have one. Now, guys, for the cushion, we just gonna pop it up. It's a pressure clip. And there you have it, just your cushion. The same process we're gonna do on the other lean back. One there, one over there, and it'll come out. Now for the boosters right here, you're gonna have the same airbag issue here. So you just have to pry it and get it out. Just like that. And this one is held by a 10 millimeter board down there. I cannot get the camera down there. That's your 10. You want to switch to 10 or 2. And it happens there is a 12. No 10s in this case. Honda has 10s. Actually, there is 2 of them. And there you have it. It's loose now. Right here is going to be a clip, guys. So I'm going to pry it out. And I'm going to show you. Let me see if I can do that right now here with the camera. Sure. And there you have it, guys. It's just this hook. It hooks over here. And that's the way to get it off. So the same process we're going to do in that side, which is identical to this. We just have a longer section of the lean back. And I'll show you in the next video the removal of the covers. Guys, if you have questions, put it in the comments. Like and subscribe so you can see all the videos we want to be making for every car that we make. Not every car, but most cars that we make. And visit LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com. I'll see you guys in the next video.